Jim Jackson, as an education advocate and school board candidate, I'm very concerned that our school campuses are as safe as we can make them. I've seen other districts have a huge spike in the number of Baker Act instituted, hospitalized students, but Pinellas doesn't. And I just wonder where those chronically disruptive students are going, short of being Baker Acted and hospitalized.
Well, I've been on the Pinellas County, Pasco County Juvenile Justice Board for the past 6 years. And once you see the money that's being generated through these reports in schools, children tapping their pencil and so forth, we have a major problem. It has to do with getting grant money from the federal government, and it's coming from the sheriff's department. All it is another quasi-agency in order to get people caught in the system. Our young people are not being educated. They're not being taught a simple Bill of Rights, Constitution, and we have to teach them what is right and what is wrong. We have to teach them that you cannot touch no one's personal property. The whole premise of our law system in America is built on this. No one can touch your person or your property. And it's real simple. Once they understand that and see that little thing, it'll stop a lot of problems that we have among our youth. And so what happens is we need to re-educate. And when the guys are running against me and even know the Constitution or Bill of Rights, I'm in trouble. We're in trouble here. So all I can do is try to encourage, do what I can.
Does anyone else? Did you direct it to all the candidates? All of them. Okay, so does anyone else?
Well, we're doing a lot in the schools in Pinellas County, and those that are in our service area. We have school resource deputies in the high schools and in the middle schools. Unfortunately, they've all been cut back due to the budget cuts. In fact, the school board, and maybe if you get on the school board, you can help us out with this, because the school board isn't paying the full freight. It's $49,000 a year per deputy, what the school board is paying, but the average cost of the deputy is about $86,000 a year. So we're picking up the difference. We're trying everything we can in the schools. There's only 2 schools where we have 2 resource deputies. As far as the mental health issues and the disruption issues, the deputies do what they can to deal with that. Some go to the JARC because there's substance abuse, and the JARC center that deals with that for juveniles over 10. So we actively are engaged with the schools. There's not really a desirable amount of resources in the schools from a law enforcement perspective, but we've got to make hundreds of millions of dollars in cuts, and the school board is not paying the full amount. You do what you can with what you have to work with.
My record when I was the sheriff is quite clear on my concern for public safety in the schools. I expanded the school resource officer program, which at the time was only in the high school. We expanded it to include all of the middle schools. We expanded the DARE program. So I think my record with regard to children's safety is there.
Well, that goes to the issue that I was talking about before, about making the cuts, in my opinion, in the wrong places. I remember a time when I was a little kid when a deputy would pull up next to the car, next to my car, or behind it, and I would be waving because I had grown up with law enforcement officers in the schools and so on, and officer friendly. And I think it's a shame that the sheriff's office doesn't have a greater presence in our schools to help foster that good relationship with kids. And so that's my answer.